Look up on a clear day and the sky is blue. But here's the thing, sunlight isn't blue. It's actually every color mixed together. White light. So somewhere between the sun and your eyeballs, something is filtering out the blue and spraying it across the entire sky. What's doing that? The answer is trillions of tiny invisible molecules and a trick of physics that's hiding in plain sight. First, let's talk about sunlight. When you pass white light through a glass prism, it fans out into a rainbow. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet. Every color is a different wavelength of light. Red has long, lazy waves. Violet has short, rapid ones. Blue is somewhere in between, but closer to the short end. This matters because shorter wavelengths behave very differently when they hit something small. Earth's atmosphere is made up of gas molecules, mostly nitrogen and oxygen. These molecules are incredibly tiny, way smaller than the wavelengths of visible light. When a beam of sunlight slams into one of these molecules, something interesting happens. The light doesn't just pass through. The molecule absorbs the light's energy for a split second, then re-emits it in a random direction. This is called scattering. But here's the key. Not all colors scatter equally. A physicist named Lord Rayleigh figured out in 1871 that shorter wavelengths scatter way more than longer ones. How much more? It follows an inverse fourth power law. That means blue light, with its shorter wavelength, scatters about 10 times more than red light, so blue light is basically bouncing around the atmosphere like a pinball, while red light cruises straight through. So picture this. Sunlight enters the atmosphere and immediately starts hitting molecules. The blue wavelengths get scattered in every direction, bouncing from molecule to molecule, spreading out across the entire sky. When you look at any patch of blue sky, you're seeing blue light that was scattered toward your eyes from molecules all over the atmosphere. The sky is basically glowing blue in every direction. Wait, you might be thinking, violet light has an even shorter wavelength than blue. Shouldn't the sky be violet? Great question. Violet actually does scatter even more than blue. But our eyes are way less sensitive to violet light. Our cone cells respond much more strongly to blue. Plus, some violet light gets absorbed high in the atmosphere, so even though violet scatters like crazy, our eyes pick up blue as the dominant color. This also explains sunsets. When the sun is near the horizon, its light has to travel through way more atmosphere to reach you. By the time it arrives, almost all the blue light has been scattered away. What's left? The longer wavelengths, the reds and oranges, which pass through without scattering much. That's why sunsets look red and orange. Same physics, just a longer path through the air. And here's a fun twist. On Mars, it's the opposite. Mars has a thin atmosphere full of fine dust particles. These dust particles are bigger than air molecules, so they scatter light differently. On Mars, the daytime sky looks butterscotch or pinkish red. But get this, Martian sunsets are actually blue. The dust particles scatter red light away, leaving blue light near the setting sun. It's Earth in reverse. Rayleigh scattering doesn't just paint skies, it's why distant mountains look bluish. The air between you and the mountains scatters blue light into your line of sight. Some animals, like migratory birds, actually navigate using the polarization patterns created by scattered sunlight. They have a built-in compass, powered by the same physics that makes our sky blue. So the next time you look up at a clear blue sky, remember what you're really seeing. Trillions of tiny molecules playing catch with sunlight, flinging blue light in every direction, painting the whole atmosphere one scattered photon at a time. The sky isn't blue because of water or reflection. It's blue because of the size of air molecules and the physics of light. And honestly, that's way cooler than any simple answer could be. The top comment down below will be what we generate a video on next. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button.